To get started, I just added a video and audio clip to my timeline, and I'd like to add a flicker effect to match the fast drum beat. Let's begin by clicking this plus button at the top of the timeline and selecting Add Video Track. Now make sure you have the Import button selected, and then select Backgrounds from the side menu. Drag the black background onto the track above your video clip on the timeline. I'm going to position mine to where the drums come in. Then drag the end of your black clip to adjust the duration you want your flicker effect to play for. I'm going to set mine to end after the last drum beat. Now move the playhead to the beginning of your black clip. Under the video preview, click the right arrow twice to move the playhead forward 2 frames. Then click the scissors button to split your black clip at that position. Keep moving the playhead 2 frames forward and splitting the black background clip at each position. To speed up the process while holding down the Control key, press the right arrow key on your keyboard twice to move the playhead forward 2 frames. And then use the Control-B keyboard shortcut to split your clip. Now that we're finished, let's hold down the Control key on our keyboard while selecting every other cutout frame. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard to get rid of them. Okay, and now when I play this back, I have a nice looking flicker effect. Keep in mind that you can flicker other media on top of your track like images or another video instead of the black background. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.